Hello friends, it's Let's Check It channel, and today I want to show you it holder for battery 18650 size. You can see it inside here, inside in power banks, everywhere, in games, in toys, and something more. Okay, with charge for battery with size. Okay, and it holder case for battery with size. It case with soldering wire, red color plus and black color minus. Not easy to take off. Okay, because it's new. I bought it on Aliexpress, 2 pieces $1, 5 pieces $2. I bought 2 pieces. And why I bought it? A few videos ago I showed you it game. Its name Sub. It's 8-bit game. Same Nintendo. Okay, I was showed before. Okay, but battery included, not charged. I don't know why not charged. Maybe problem with micro USB. Oh, sorry, mini USB. No, micro USB. Sure. Maybe something more. I put here it holder and put battery 3.7 volts. Same here, 3.7 volts, and here 3.7 volts, and it works. For charge I need to remove battery, and I can put one more battery and start game one more. Very easy. Was soldered before on the factory and easy to use. Thank you for watching me. Let's check it channel. Please do like.